Good afternoon. My name is Paul Crafton, and I'm the Group Tour and Travel Manager for the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Our museum, as you can see here on the cover of my brochure, this is the pinnacle of our building, and if you shrink that down to about this size, that's actually the emblems on the new Corvettes. That's a large building, represents a large version of that. Our museum offers over 80 cars on display at all times. We're open 52 weeks out of the year. We kind of consider ourselves a Corvette campus, if you will. The museum takes the center portion of the property. To the left is the GM plant that actually constructs America's sports car. And to the right, I have the National Corvette Museum Raceway Parkway, where you can actually get in real, brand new Corvettes and Camaros and get on the road and either drive yourself or be driven. And it's quite an experience on the road when you're up in excess of 140, 150 miles an hour. You're moving, and you know it. Back to the museum for just a second, which again is, we consider again the crown jewel. We offer over 80 cars. We switch out the exhibits about every 9 to 12 months. And as I was mentioning earlier, for a salesperson, it makes it really tough. It's great for the customers, but it's really tough for the salespeople because just when we get everything memorized to know where everything's at, we have so many historic things in storage. They come in and change everything around, and I have to start from scratch again and learn my whole product over again. So no matter if you've been there 9 months ago or 9 years ago, it's going to be a new experience for you. The museum is not-for-profit, and we are very excited about the opportunity to increase our international presence. At the plant, many a car is sent to Ireland. It's a good market for us. And we have a lot of folks coming over from all countries in Europe and from globally, actually. I've been with them a couple of years now, and I was amazed. It's not just the owners of a Corvette. I hate to say it this way, but it's almost a religious kind of a organization, almost like a fraternal thing. There's something in the blood of the Corvette owner. I don't care what country you're from on the globe. They're all motor car enthusiasts and Corvette enthusiasts, and that comes first. We're other things after that, but that's what everybody has in you. And when you come together, it's literally every day there. You have family members from every country on the globe coming together and celebrating America's sports car. So it's a fun place to be. We urge you to come and see us. And as I said, it's our new logo or comment for the year is it's where adrenaline meets tradition. And you come to Bowling Green, and we'll treat you right. And you get behind the wheel of one of these fantastic machines and see if you've got what it takes.